Welcome students. This is the continuation of energy chapter. In this class we are going to learn about conservation of energy. Already we have studied the different types of energy and their uses. Now we are going to learn about conservation of energy. See the picture. So in the first picture we know that we need energy to do work. We get this energy from food. So see here, chemical energy. So we are using batteries to get electric energy. In this battery, chemicals are used. So chemical energy is converted into electrical energy in the batteries. So this battery is used to run the vehicles like car, etc. So next, this chemical energy is used to launch the heavy vehicles like rocket. Then this chemical energy is used to generate electricity. Then this electric energy is used to electrical energy is transformed into light and sound energy in the television. Then in light, this electrical energy is converted into light energy. So here one type of energy is transformed into another type of energy. So electrical energy is transformed into light energy in the light. Likewise, electrical energy is transformed into light energy and sound energy in the television. So here in battery, electrical energy is converted into kinetic energy of vehicles. So one type of energy is transformed into another type of energy. So energy cannot be created and it cannot be destroyed also. So energy cannot be created and cannot be destroyed. It is changed from one form to another form or transformed from one object to another object. So energy cannot be created and it cannot be destroyed. Okay, so it is changed from one form, one energy, one type of energy into another type of energy, or transformed from one object to another object. So we can say many examples for conservation of energy in our daily life. So conservation of energy means energy cannot be created and it cannot be destroyed, but it can change from one form of energy to another form of energy. So this is called conservation of energy. So we can say many examples for conservation of energy in our daily life. For example, we are using many home appliances that are using electrical energy, so that is converted into different types of energy. So in fan it is converted into mechanical energy. Then in light it is converted, that is electrical energy is converted into light energy, so etc. So these are the different examples of conservation of energy. So next, law of conservation of energy. What is law of conservation of energy? We know that energy cannot be created and it cannot be destroyed also. So law of conservation of energy states that energy can neither be created nor be destroyed. So that is, energy cannot be created and it cannot be destroyed also. So one form of energy is converted into another form of energy. So in electric fan, that is in fan, electrical energy is converted into mechanical energy. So this law was given by Julius Robert Mayer. So this is the law of conservation of energy, that is energy can neither be created nor be destroyed. One form of energy is converted into another form of energy. So next we are going to see some examples for conservation of energy. So first one is water dam. So in water dam, already we know that electric energy is generated in hydropower plants. So this is hydropower plant. So here water stored in water dams possesses potential energy because of its position, because water is stored. Okay, so stored water possesses potential energy. When water falls down, potential energy of water is converted into kinetic energy. So here potential energy is converted into kinetic energy because when water falls down, kinetic energy of water rotates the turbines and electric energy is generated. See the picture. So this is dam, water dam. So water in the water dam possesses potential energy. When water falls down from the dam, it possesses kinetic energy. So here potential energy is transformed into kinetic energy. Then this kinetic energy of water rotates the turbine. These are the turbines. So it rotates the turbine. So here turbine has mechanical energy. So this energy is next converted into electric energy using generator. So this generates electric energy from the turbine. So this is what electric energy is generated in hydropower plants. So in water dams, potential energy is transformed into kinetic energy. Then this kinetic energy is transformed into mechanical energy of turbine. Then this mechanical energy is converted into electrical energy. So next example, electric lamp. So already I said in electric lamp, electric energy is converted into light energy. Then in electric iron box, electrical energy is converted into heat energy. In electric fan, electrical energy is converted into mechanical energy. Then in computer, electrical energy is converted into sound energy. So next example for conservation of energy is driving a car. So we use fuel in the form of petrol or diesel or gas to run vehicles. So we know that to run vehicles we are using fuels like petrol, diesel or gas. When this fuel burns in the engine, chemical energy is converted into heat energy. Burning fuel produces hot gases which pushes the piston in the engine to move the vehicle. So to run the vehicle we are using petrol, diesel or gas. So burning petrol or diesel produces hot gases. This gases pushes the piston in the engine to move the vehicle. So this is what the vehicle is moving. Okay. So thus heat energy is converted into mechanical energy. Heat energy, burning of fuel produces heat energy. This heat energy is converted into mechanical energy. Here the movement of vehicle is mechanical energy. So while driving a car, heat energy is converted into mechanical energy. So next in photosynthesis. So we know that photosynthesis is a process in which the plant prepare their own food by using solar energy. So here solar energy is converted into chemical energy. So that is stored in the plants. Okay, so plants as food. So here solar energy is converted into chemical energy. So students, hope you all understood about conservation of energy. So energy cannot be created and it cannot be destroyed also, but one form of energy is transformed into another form of energy. Thank you.